If you drive an old SsangYong ISTANA or a classic Mercedes MB100, you know the interior parts are often impossible to find, especially a quality shift boot. Well, this replacement claims to be the perfect OEM match, and honestly, the quality surprised me right out of the box. We are looking at a highly specific component, the gear shift knob boot, designed to replace the worn-out original on these workhorse vehicles, specifically matching the OEM numbers 6,618,808,844 UAJ and 6,618,808,744 LAA. This isn't a universal part. It's engineered precision, and that's exactly what you need when dealing with older vehicle interiors. The supplier emphasizes that this is OEM-grade leather with reinforced stitching. That's a critical detail. These vans are utility vehicles, they see heavy use, and a cheap vinyl boot will tear instantly. The reinforced stitching suggests durability, designed to handle the constant shifting and friction. It only weighs 50 grams, which is exactly what you want, lightweight but structurally sound. Now let's talk about the aesthetic. The color is listed as wooden with a brushed exterior finish. This is key for owners trying to maintain or restore the specific, slightly retro interior look of the Istana, or MB100. It's not just about function, it's about restoring that original appearance perfectly. The biggest win here, however, is the installation process. They promise a direct OEM replacement with an exact factory fit and a snap-on design that takes just 15 minutes. If you've ever wrestled with a shift boot replacement that required trimming or modification, the idea of a true snap-on solution is incredibly appealing. This focus on precise dimensional requirements, which the supplier highlights through their technical oversight, really pays off in user experience. This product isn't just a quick fix, it's a professional-grade solution vetted by specialists. It restores both the shift boot functionality and the overall interior appearance, ensuring that even your older utility vehicle looks sharp and operates smoothly. If you need to refresh the cockpit of your Istana or MB100, this replacement boot delivers on its promise of quality and effortless installation. It's a highly specific component that absolutely nails the execution.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.